and welcome to Onourshelf. Today I have this kid's tablet by Amazon, this Fire 7 Kids Edition with 16 gigabytes. Let's get it out the plastic. Let me grab my knife. Alright, so here is the Fire 7 Kids Edition tablet with a 7-inch display. I have the blue kid-proof case. Let's start the unboxing. Alright, so here's the box. It includes the black Fire 7 tablet, a 2-year worry-free warranty, a 1 year of Amazon free time unlimited, and a blue kid-proof case. The age range is for children 3 and up. It has a micro SD slot for up to 256 gigabytes. It has dual band Wi-Fi and front and rear cameras. It's designed with kids in mind. It has endless fun for your kids, and it has peace of mind for the parents. And if they break it, they'll replace it, no questions asked. All right, let's peel the seal off and get the tablet out of the box. All right, so right away there is the blue tablet. And let's see what else is inside the box. Looks like some instructions, and let's pull this tab here. You have your power adapter and your USB charging cable. Okay, let's take the tablet out of its plastic. And here it is. Very nice. All right, that was the unboxing. That's everything that was inside the box. Let's start the review. All right, so here is the black 7-inch tablet out of its blue case. It looks very nice and sleek. I like the design. All right, the controls at the top. You have your power button, your micro USB port, your built-in microphone, your 3.5 millimeter stereo jack, and your volume up and down buttons. On the back of this tablet is your rear-facing camera and a speaker. And on the front of the tablet is your touchscreen and your front-facing camera. To install a micro SD card into the tablet, you need to remove the case. The Fire 7 Kids Edition offers 3 different colors, blue, pink, and yellow. The case has a nice design on the back, nice foamy texture, very durable. The case has cutouts, so it lets you know which direction the tablet goes back inside if you happen to remove the tablet. All right, let's put this tablet back inside the case and show you how it works. So you have up to 8 hours of reading, surfing the web, watching videos, and listening to music. It fully charges in under 6 hours. Now, setting up, you need to use your Amazon account. Go to the website, log in, create a username, password. It's pretty simple. Now, after you created your account, you can go ahead and go into settings and use the parental controls. In this area, you can set the times you want your child to use the tablet. And this is the area where you control everything, the parental control settings. It's very nice. Now let me show you the software and how vivid and bright and fun and colorful it really can be. I would also like to mention that they offer a 1 year of free time unlimited, which will give your kids access to over 15,000 videos, books, apps, and games. It is very amazing. So let me show you each category. Let me show you how it works. So here's the web. Look at all these selections you can choose from alphabets to numbers to shapes to colors. It's great. All right, so we're back at the home page. Let's select this book right here, the ABC Cookies. I'll show you the illustrations, the color pictures, the words, and what they look like. It's very bright and fun. They can read along. Next, I would like to show you a couple of games, apps, and what they look like. I'm doing a puzzle right here. My child loves this app right here. You can trace numbers with Elmo. It's very interactive and fun. You can also watch different characters, different videos like Nickelodeon or PBS Kids. You can watch Daniel Tiger. They have a lot of episodes and seasons for you. It's just right here. It's very nice and convenient, especially for road trips. If you're in the car, they can take it with them and be busy for hours. Look at how vivid the colors look. I mean, the reds look bright, the blues look bright. It looks very nice. I mean, for the price, it's quite impressive. For $100, I mean, come on. Now, the one thing I'm not that impressed with is the camera and video. Now, keep in mind, for what it's worth, it has a decent camera and video. You can pause the video right here to take a look at the specs. Now, the footage I took is not going to blow you away, but it gets the job done. Also, I would like to add that you can use it as a tablet for yourself as well. You can have your own section with your favorite apps and games and videos, which is very neat. And you can also add other family members too. So that's cool. Each member in your family can have their own special icon. You can just tap it on the top. It'll have a picture of a dog or whatever you want on there, a picture of yourself. It's pretty cool. Your name. You tap that and it can go to your section and you type in your password and you're there and you're on your side. So that's very neat. I mean, for the cost of only $100, this offers a lot for your kids. It's learning, it's fun activities, it's great. So if you're in the market for a tablet for your kids and you want content that your kids will love, it's easy to take with you on the go, check out this Fire 7 Kids tablet. I'll put an Amazon link for you below. One thing though, it is a fingerprint magnet, so you will do a lot of wiping with the cleaning cloth. So I highly recommend this tablet, this Fire 7 Kids Edition. It's great. It has a lot to offer for your kids. I mean, it says ages for 3 and up, but my 20-month-old uses it. He loves it. He loves to play these tracing games and puzzles and colors and watch his favorite videos. So it's great for learning. If they can sit up and be supervised with it, it's fine. I think it's great. It's perfect for those clumsy children, and it's perfect for those children who are visual learners. So I would highly recommend this tablet. So if you're not subscribed to our channel, click that subscribe button, comment, like, and share this video. We appreciate your feedback. Take care. I'll see you guys in our next video, and thanks for watching.